Hi friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are remaking Christmas Cactus. So I made this soap last year and it did not behave on me very well, but the soap still turned out really pretty, and the fragrance, I'm actually using a bar of this in our shower right now, and a year later it's been unwrapped and the scent is still very strong. It's a beautiful bar of soap. So we're going to hope today that it doesn't accelerate on us as bad as it did last year. So let's start the same way we always do. Mix together our oils, our additives, and our butters, add in our lye, and make some soap. So I don't want to over stick blend this, so we're going to stop now. I'm going to split off 2 accent colors. So our first accent color is Trial by Fire by Nurture Soap. And the second one is Green Vibrance, also by Nurture Soap. So I'm not going to add any fragrance to this. So I'm going to just right now mix it together by hand, and we'll stick blend it after we stick blend our base. So let's set these to the side. And let's concentrate on our big bucket here. Scrape down all the sides from where we poured it. And I'm going to color this in some titanium dioxide that has been pre-dispersed in some warm water. We're going to add in our fragrance oil. So we have our 2 molds from Essential Depot here. We're going to go ahead and get this poured before it gets too thick on us. Right now it's not, so maybe last year was just a fluke. Get everything scraped out, and then let's put on our little cactus flowers. So now I'm going to put on some melt and pour, just little cactus flowers that I melted down. go ahead and put some Rainbow Eco glitter on top. And then we'll spray it with some of the rubbing alcohol. And this one's complete. So I'll bring it back in just a minute and we will cut into this and see what it looks like on the inside. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and unmold and cut into the Christmas Cactus soap. So this soap is part of our very special release for Sunday, September 5th. And hopefully 10 a.m. Central Standard Time is our fall and Christmas release. So on this bar, we're getting real close. You can see kind of that dark outline around the bar soap. The rest of the bar will turn this color, if not a little bit darker, which we did know would happen. I did know it would turn to a tan, which I think is perfectly fine. And I really like how the melt and pour embeds on top of this soap are just a little bit of a different shade than the red and green on the inside. And that's because this is actually red mica, but I used a white melt and pour base instead of clear this time. So that's just what happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.